Welcome to the YouTube channel. I've just disconnected. I'm back again. We're going around City Market in a place where we've got nice things. They sell masks, jewelry, beads, everything. It's in town called Nairobi City Market in the middle of the city. Welcome to this channel and let's start looking around. Acha niweke kwa video. Sawa, thank you. This is it.
Hello.
Hi.
Karibu.
So you still want me to see your place? It's nice. Wow. Yeah, and you come. And there's so many funny things. You make these masks?
No, I collect them.
Oh, you're a collector.
Yeah.
Some are looking very old, yeah?
Yes.
Like these ones. But don't you think they're a bit, I find they're a bit, little bit. Oh, habari. Hey, habari mzee, how are you?
Mzee is good.
These are, najua these are antiques ile za zamani. Ziko na maprice ya zamani. Ya utamaduni. Si ndio?
Yes.
Those days when our parents were in charge of the nice Kenya, but now it's gone a bit. It's nice Kenya, but it's a bit very fast because of population and growing.
Nowadays you don't reside in Kenya.
No, I don't. I do come here. It's my home. Yes. Wow. And what was that one with a lot of nails? Like that was
That one is a fetish.
fetish. Why did they put a lot of nails?
Yeah?
A lot of
You
nails.
know, a fetish is for telling the truth or what's happening.
Oh,
It's like,
so I have come to a place where these things were used for spiritual affairs.
yeah, some of them.
Ah, for the old people. Oh, I see. I can see gourds. But anyway, thank you, sir. I'm not very much interested in this. As I said, welcome to the channel. I'm back on. We are looking at this. They're here. Lots of faces of old people used to use this in their culture. Yeah, so I thought let's just have a look at it. Yeah, and then let's go to the last bit. How are you, sir? I'm just around checking. Yeah, I see you've got so many beautiful things. Thank you, sir. I shan't come there. Okay. Asante, ni kazi mzuri kabisa, nachukua tu naangalia. Yes. So let me go and see the man there. I'm going to see, Welcome to this place. It's a nice place. Got traditional things, carvings. I'm back again. And they want me to that people can come to, is it City Market?
Yeah, City Market.
City Market, we've got a lot of jewelry and things, traditional stuff. Even he's got a chessboard. Wow. You have a chessboard?
Yeah.
How much do you sell this chessboard?
Yeah.
Just asking, just how much you sell it?
Oh, it is new. 35.
3,500.
Normally have the small ones, the big ones. This one is 2K, this one is the 35.
This is 2.5. This is a chess. Well, I don't even know how to play chess. I just thought that it's nice to see it. Yeah.
We have this African sport.
For porch, for girl ladies, yes. Yeah, as I say, let me go around see this person.
You see the stones,
So welcome back. So we're just going to... Yes, I'm just back to look at your jewels. Welcome back. City Market. See from the bottom, I'm on the stairs. There's roses, with all sorts of stuff. Let me go in this little shop. He's got a little shop here. Yeah, same things are happening. Yeah, it's got artifacts. Anything that anybody would like to buy is like gifts.
Thank you.
Yeah, I wanted to put so that people can come and get gifts here for their loved ones. Yeah, so I don't know what this is. Oopsie. So, aside and see how much he can give me. I need a stone. So let me just have a look. In what form?
In a pendant.
Pendant.
Pendant, yes.
So let the lady go out. Oh, already I've done it. This is current, but it's got too much cracks.
I'll show you another place.
So he's selling sapphires. Yeah.
Mkadha, niambie.
What is this?
Me, I don't know about stones.
That's turquoise.
I know it's turquoise.
Yeah.
So guys, this is what he's selling. Yeah, so just some earrings here, so let me see and see what I like. Thank you. Welcome to the channel. We are going downstairs. So thank you very much. Yeah. Pardon me. What did you say? What do you have here? Hello, hello, lady.
Hello.
Oh, you got big. Okay, I see. Thank you. Oh, you got a lot of beads. Yeah. What did you say you wanted to show me? You wanted to show me something?
I wanted to show you.
Oh, the photograph.
Yeah.
The paint. Oh, you
your
do
painting.
you do craft.
I'm an artist.
You're an
This
artist.
is from the banana.
For the.
This is from the banana.
Oh, these are banana
Yeah.
leaves.
Natural banana bark. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Once
So
the,
how do you carve this?
the banana is not carved. Once the banana dries up, it forms different colors. Different colors. As an artist, now you can combine the colors. Yes, you can combine the colors.
And come out with something.
You can see now how the banana divide itself after it grows old. See, different colors now.
So it brings out the
Yeah,
formation.
natural,
Natural animals can be carved from the bananas.
yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
This is nice to put on there. Yeah.
See.
And this one
these
is
are,
just you.
These are oil colors,
Oil
whereby
colors.
we can remove from the frame and roll.
And
them
then somebody
up.
rolls and takes back home.
Yeah, yeah. I have also small ones here. The
Wow.
tinga tinga. These are the nice funny tinga tinga. This also we roll them up.
What is this?
Tinga, they're called funny tinga tinga.
Call it tinga.
Funny tinga tinga.
Funny.
It's like funny. It's like cartoon.
Cartoon.
Yeah,
Funny.
you can see it's funny. Yeah, you can see it's funny. It's for making like everybody to become an artist. That is why you can see if I give you a pencil, you can draw something. Regardless, it doesn't come like mine.
Okay.
These are flamingos from Lake Nakuru.
These are Nakuru.
Yeah, flamingos from Lake Nakuru.
That's just normal fish.
Yeah, it's a normal fish. Of the zebras.
Oh, I see. And that's a lion.
Yeah, that's the king lion.
And these are, you do this or somebody did for you? You see these ones?
I'm an artist myself.
Some you did, some are
And
so
some
collectors.
are from some are from other. In my workshop, we
Yes,
are 5.
5 people.
So what we make, we bring
Bring them
together
together
here.
so it can be displayed for sale.
Yes, yes. Let me show you more from here.
Yeah, it's nice.
See?
Very nice.
Oil paintings.
They are called oil paint.
Yeah, these are oil paintings.
Okay, it's very nice actually. The Maasai, the women make a house.
Yes.
Yes.
This Kilimanjaro, acacia tree, Kilimanjaro,
Manjaro,
Maasai,
Maasai.
carrying pot of
pots,
water.
This one is which one?
This is
This one still Maasai.
yes, it's Maasai.
These
From
are
the
Maasai.
Kilimanjaro. This is
Kilimanjaro.
Kilimanjaro.
The
Yeah.
hills, yeah.
Yeah.
The next
This
one-
is the acacia tree.
This is still Kilimanjaro.
Yeah, Kilimanjaro, Maasai.
These are
acacia
women.
tree. Yeah, these are men
Men
and one woman
and one
carrying pot.
pots.
Yeah.
Now these are ladies.
No, the ones with
This one
sticks.
is who?
This is Mama carrying firewood.
Mama carry fire.
Firewood and the acacia tree.
Acacia
There are
tree.
other acacia tree
And
for
young-
shelter. And the
yeah.
Maasai Papa here with the stakes, and the Mama is seated.
Yes.
Yeah. I have the Mama mixed with Papa.
Yes.
The Mama with firewood, pot of water,
Pots.
and the fruits baskets.
Oh,
Yeah.
that is great.
Yeah.
Now this is the warriors.
Yeah,
Jump.
these are warriors
Jump.
dancing. Yeah,
Yeah.
they're dancing.
Oh, that is
See?
nice.
Yeah, that's a Giriama. They make
Giriama
they make
huts.
the hats with the glasses.
Glasses.
Yeah, they are very cool because the glasses, the sun does not penetrate
Yeah, where did they get the glasses?
from the bush.
Oh.
The glasses.
What? Grass.
Glass, yeah, glass, yeah.
I don't
It's
thank
because
you.
of the teeth.
Yeah, sorry.
The
No,
pronunciation,
I was
yeah.
thinking glass.
Yeah,
okay,
glass,
the
yeah.
grass, I
Yeah,
know
yeah,
grass.
yeah.
Grass like
Yeah.
to have it touched.
Yeah, Dokite.
Yes, to have it touched.
Mm.
Yes, to have
Yeah.
it cool. Yeah, I know the touched houses. They
Yeah,
are-
the
they
house
are
is very
traditional.
cool,
Yes,
traditional. They are
yeah.
very cool, but very dangerous. If one house catches fire,
All
to burn
catch.
house.
Everyone
to burn,
catches
yeah,
fires.
yeah.
Okay.
Some Maasai warriors.
Warriors. Oh, this
Quick transport now.
this is when they started.
Yeah, they started the
bicycles.
quickering the transport method. Yeah, some
This
mama,
is all nice.
the mama, and
Yeah.
yeah. The advantage is that you can roll them up without any destruction. Yeah, it's a Maasai grazing.
Grazing.
Yeah,
this
it's
is
Maasai
the-
grazing. It's Maasai grazing.
It's
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for showing me. Yeah.
They were 6 or how many?
No, you see, it depends on the money.
I'll put all. We
No,
will
no, no,
talk
no, no.
about
It's
it.
too much. You're going to charge me a lot.
No.
But I have seen something I want, which is very precious to me. I'll go and get that one first, and I'll come for this one.
Sure.
You know it. Shall I tell you?
What is it?
No, no, you don't have it, and I don't want to put it here. Can camera, but let's not talk too much. Come, you see that guy? Let me go and finish off with him. You know that. You know he's okay. Kidogo. I want so. So I'm just going to end my video. Going to end my video. Beautiful flowers. Was it here that I came? I found something. Let me just disconnect. So I'm going to go up there and buy something for myself. Then I'll go and buy something gifts. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching as I'm going up there. Mom, nimekaa tu. So I'll be back. Anyway, I'm going to say bye-bye. See you in my next channel. Bye.